We believe that the reform of current regulations and legislation covering health and social care services is needed. We want regulations to be fit for purpose into the future. We need to take steps today to have the right regulatory framework to protect people tomorrow. We have recommended a review of current regulations covering social care services and for regular reviews of the regulations to be built into the process. Over the past 10 years as a country, we have changed and evolved. Our social care needs and services have changed and evolved too. These changes will continue as our population changes. Reviews are a key element of ensuring that things work well and are effective. We should check our regulations to make sure they are relevant and cover service delivery in the way that people want, at the right time and in the right place. Regulations for social care in Ireland need to be updated, not once or twice, but on a rolling basis. The regulation of our social care services needs to be agile and relevant to the services that emerge over the next number of years.